Cinnamon, you said had cinnamon in?
Hi, cinnamon.
Yes, this is cinnamon. We have Jessica and Eliza, and we are here to just bring the farm to you guys on the spot a little bit. And
There's actually a llama.
so, when was the last time you had a llama in class?
Never.
Never. Okay.
We brought Cinnamon here today for you guys to get a little bit of agriculture in your classrooms, to be able to interact with her and ask us any questions that you might have. So if you want, I have some raising their hands already, so I don't know names, so you want to tell me your name? Go ahead.
Bella, we pet the llama.
You guys will be able to pet her. Okay, go ahead.
I've always wondered, what are like the front teeth doing, like that are right here?
It's a good question. She's got really long front teeth, and she's got molars on the top and bottom and the back, but she has no teeth in the top front of her mouth. So those big long teeth come up high, and they actually help her grab leaves and branches from high trees. So she only eats up. She very rarely eats down. Yeah.
What jobs like do llamas in general have?
Llamas in general are pack animals, and they're also protection for smaller herbivores on the farm, like sheep and goats. The coyote comes to your farm, she will get in between the coyote and your sheep, and she'll make a big stink about it. She'll get loud, she'll get defensive and spit at them, and then the coyote kind of thinks twice about what they want for dinner. Cinnamon is not a mom. She has never had a baby llama. Do you guys know what you call a baby llama?
A cat.
You do. A cat. That's a good guess. You call them a cria. They can have multiple colors in the same family, so it depends on their genes, right? Where we have blonde hair or brown hair, same thing goes for llamas. So
On average, how old is a llama?
20 is the life expectancy of a llama.
Which one has a longer life expectancy, a llama or an alpaca?
They're related, so it's very similar. There's only a few differences. So wool, they're twice as big and they have bigger ears. Where do they usually live?
Yeah, like around the world.
So South America, mostly. And so they actually have toes that are split hooves that allows them to live in mountainous terrain, so they have very good grip. You pet her. What's
Fluffy.
fluffy?
Very fluffy.
What does she grow on her body?
Fur.
It's not fur.
Hair.
It's not hair. It's wool.
Wool.
She's like a sheep.
Did you
So-
shave her?
Just around the middle section. Why do you guys think it's cool to have a llama in your classroom?
Because it's a llama.
Because it's a llama, and you guys, it's a llama, right?
Sorry about that. She's a big girl. I know it. You weren't expecting that, were you? All right.